Meaning of frivolously.
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 Frivolously. The word frivolously means doing something in a trivial, unserious or unimportant manner, without giving it due consideration. When a person acts frivolously, they are behaving foolishly and recklessly, without taking the consequences of their actions into account. This can lead to negative outcomes, such as wasted time, damage to relationships, or financial losses. Acting frivolously can also make an individual appear immature or lacking in responsibility. It is important, therefore, to approach all tasks with thoughtfulness and care, and to take responsibility for our actions in order to achieve positive outcomes.